Greetings from Gem Heating and Air. Gonna show you guys a job we're doing today. The last plumber came out, charged several $100s to do this repair, I guess if you could call it that. There used to be a water softener here, and for whatever reason it got pulled out. This was their solution. This gate valve is leaking, very notorious for these to do that. So we're gonna pull this out, clean this up. I'll show you guys that here next. And then on the water heater, the cold supply or hot supply side, there used to be a humidifier. Those are like, that's called a piercing needle valve. Really do not recommend those because that's what they do, as you can tell. Kind of a band-aid. I would almost call it a hack way of getting a water line off of something. So we're gonna take care of that too. Gotta get the water turned off. And then we just wanna make sure we don't have any water coming in. Here we are, just gonna start checking for leaks as we're pressurizing everything. This is all done up here. Everything's looking good so far. We'll get it filled up and turn the gas on here. Water meter's back. And there we go. That's a wrap. Very happy with how everything turned out. Have a couple more years of service. At least. Thanks for sticking around.